Do you lack perseverance as an entrepreneur? I know why. You are getting distracted each and every day on social media, with television, and any other thing that isn't contributing to your growth, to your personal development, to your business is a distraction. You need to focus all your effort, your energy, your work on productive tasks so that you have more time on what really matters for your family, going to the gym, exercising, praying. All those things are valuable for you. That is why stay productive. Do not do busy work. Eliminate that for as far as possible. Distractions are inevitable. Social media is a distraction. When you are consuming content each and every day, the average person spends about 4-5 hours each and every day on social media. Busy with what? Your job is to create and document more content so that you are building your career path. You are taking ownership, responsibility for your life. Remember, distractions will never go away. You need to solely be focused 100% on your most important task to dial the needle closer to getting transformation result, a positive outcome. So eliminate distractions. Write down 20 things that distract you on a day-to-day basis that is not serving you well. Identify that so that you can minimize distraction and focus all your output, your effort, your work, discipline into being truly 100% focused on your productive task, which will dial the needle closer for you getting results. So remember, this is how you persevere as an entrepreneur. Thank you and you're welcome.